hated that.
That's so satisfying. Finally, past halfway through cutting across this intercooler mount so that the intercooler can get as much air as possible. I'm using a jigsaw with a metal blade, going relatively slowly and trying to stop to make sure that the blade doesn't overheat. I'm sure that I'm doing this incorrectly, but I'll be honest, I don't know what the correct way is. Please, if you know how I should be doing this, I probably shouldn't be using a jigsaw. Let me know in the comments. Let me know if I should be using some kind of an oil to cool the blade. Any tips and tricks, greatly appreciated. Thank you. All right, that took 5 blades and far more time than I care to admit. But we now have an intercooler mount.
Your phone's really dumb.
It zooms in as soon as you start. Yeah. All right, most of this weekend was plagued by problems with tools, from drill bits that didn't cut to jigsaw blades that were overheating, but we managed to get it done and it resulted in this lovely intercooler mounting bracket. So I cut out the portion here that goes over the intercooler fins. That way it's fully being used. And the holes at the top are tapped with M10 bolts. So the plan for how to install this, should have unscrewed this before we started recording. It's going to sit very nicely right here. And the bolts are going to pop through the front of the car, and the threading is going to pull this right up. I'm very glad that that's done. Next week we're going to grind it down, paint it, get this finally installed.